Meaning of 50-50.
50-50.
50-50.
50-50.
50-50. 50-50 is a phrase that means an equal chance of two possible outcomes. The term is commonly used in situations where the result could go either way. It can refer to a variety of circumstances, such as a coin toss, a business deal, or a sports game. When someone says it's 50-50, it means that the odds of success or failure are equal. The outcome cannot be predicted with any certainty, and both possibilities are equally likely to occur. In general, the term suggests that whoever makes the decision or takes the action will have to take on some risk and cannot rely on a guaranteed outcome.